Alright, here's another wiring configuration. What we have is a positive, 5 neutral, negative, 5 neutral, positive, 5 neutral, negative. The green here is negative. Follow it down and see it goes down there. I've already ran my tests. Right now I'm just running an overdrive test, seeing what happens if I run it overdriven for a fair amount of time. It's been running for about an hour, hour and a half. It's at 14.8 volts at the cell. Supply is set at 16.2, as you can see. I get a lot of voltage drop over these small leads, but neither here nor there. It's drawing 10.32 amps. Somebody asked about temperatures, so real close. About 127, 128, about 128 degrees, and that's as close as I can measure it. Can't really get inside the cell without affecting how it runs. I actually ran the cell at 18 amps for quite a while, about 45 minutes, or not 18 amps, 15 amps, 18 volts, to get it up to that temperature. So I actually turned it down about 10 minutes ago. But overall, this overdrive test has been going on for an hour, hour and a half. Turn it up just a little bit. See the amps climb quickly. We're at almost 16 volts on the cell, and almost 15 amps. So it reacts halfway decent. I haven't ran the data through a spreadsheet yet. I have it right here. The most efficient run was at 12.5 volts. It only took 1.76 to 1.7 or 1.76 to 1.68 amps, an average of 1.72, and it hit a 4.905. It's fair, but still not the efficiencies I want to see out of it. So we'll be getting into that. The whole cell warms up pretty good. I mean, it's not so hot you can't touch it. It's only 128 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's warm. So that's what it's doing for now. The next wiring configuration, just so everybody knows what to expect, is going to be a positive 2 neutral, negative 2 neutral, positive, so on and so forth. So after that, I'll set it up for a 4 neutral configuration, and I'll start at the outside and work my way in, and we'll see how that goes. If you want to get a good look at the action, this lighting isn't the greatest. There. It's going pretty good. Notice after it warms up, it doesn't foam so much. I don't know if the heat gets the foam out or what, but it doesn't seem to foam too badly. And then at the bottom section, that's attached still. Move that over. I've been ultra close up because the camera doesn't do too good once I reduce the video down, so you can see some small bubbles kind of hanging out. But again, not a whole lot of backflow. Let me see if I can get those right there, yeah. So it's running pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Keep testing, figuring it out. Let's go ahead and do a real quick one of these. It's still set up. So that's pretty much that. One thing I've learned about cells is there's no replacement for surface area. To run a cell at high volumes and a decent efficiency, it's going to take a pretty good amount of surface area. That's all there is to it. So we'll see how it all goes. I got a few more things up my sleeve after I get these basic tests out of the way, and I'll be posting that stuff too. So take it easy, guys.